When it comes to the best Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers, always choose the junior brand set. Reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A junior brand usually becomes a junior brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and the factories only use process that has been proven to be safe. With such Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your off-road adventures with peace of mind. Going off-road with Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand service impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority. High-end off-road wheel spacers are made from forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are continuously processed under tons of pressure. This process eliminates any porosity and shrinkage. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more forces without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both on Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are safer and more reliable for off-roading. They are bolted to the vehicle hub and the wheel are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel lugs keep the hub, spacer, wheel connection strong and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and lug nut is extremely important to ensure stable wheel connection. Bonus bolts on Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud. These studs are considered to be the highest quality studs in the car industry. All bonus wheel spacers kits are delivered with SGS and TV certificates. In general, aluminum alloys have good corrosion resistance and are rust-proof. They are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterparts. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, Bonus aluminum Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hot anodizing. A proper hot anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The outside layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium appearance, but also tends to be light-fast. This means that anodizing Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use.